My name is Doug Sheely. I work for Polk County Conservation as a natural resources supervisor. So in that capacity, I handle supervision and administration of our natural resources division. As part of that, we do wildlife management activities, and one of those that we do is a program called Motus. The idea is to create stations all over the Western Hemisphere that can track migration for primarily birds.
Hi, I'm Dr. Muir Eaton. I'm a professor at Drake University. I'm standing in the Natural History Collection for Drake University. I'm an ornithologist by trade, so I study birds. More recently, I've gotten involved in some research for Polk County Conservation, monitoring some of their bird populations across some of the forested sites at Chichaqua Bottoms Greenbelt.
At Chichaqua Bottoms here, of course, we're on a major migration route with the South Stunk River. So we felt like this was really an ideal location to put this station. And really the Motus program is designed to look at bird migration, because we know that migration is a stressful time for birds, but it's also not well understood.
One thing that is instrumental in bird conservation, really, and survival on an annual basis is where they can stop while they're migrating. They need certain places to stop and refuel, right? Not very many birds just go on a nonstop movement from one place to another and then they're done. They usually migrate a distance, stop, and build up their fat reserves again, migrate again. What we know a lot less about is where the important stopover sites are for a lot of species. Motus might be the kind of system that could really help us understand that at a better level. Unfortunately, Iowa is a state that's lost most of its native grasslands, right? And there's a very tiny percentage of native grassland left. That pretty clearly correlates with the birds that are in the most precipitous declines.
We just think this is going to be a great tool for better understanding bird migration and some of the stresses that they undergo, because we know that since 1970 we've lost 3 billion birds that are killed, and this is a large proportion of the population.
Iowa is a place where we've sort of have an opportunity to bring back a lot of habitat that has disappeared. Out at Chichaqua Bottoms, when I first started working here, it was sort of a new thing, a new sighting to see sandhill cranes out there. And now they're pretty established as breeders across the Chichaqua acreage, and I would guess there's at least half a dozen breeding pairs across the Chichaqua landscape. If the habitat is there and it's appropriate, it's suitable for these species, then they figure out a way how to find it and utilize it, and they can only then contribute to hopefully sustaining their populations on a larger scale.